Hey guys, today I'm gonna be pretending to sneeze on people.
What does that have to do with anything? So what I was naked with the dog last night? Okay, it's not like he licked my balls. Oh yeah, what's good? Yeah, I don't know why, but like, my girlfriend just likes it when I pee in her mouth. I don't know, it's weird. Yeah. I don't know, that shit's weird, bro. Yeah, I might break up with her.
Where did mom say she was gonna meet us?
Oh my god.
Oh,